Thank you, Mama. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the question. Yes, the pink Goyard. That was a limited edition launch they did 2 years ago, 2022, October 2022. They did 7 colors in the pink. It was a big, beautiful collection, including the mini Saigon, the nano Saigon, and the Plumet. And they did I think they did 4 colors in pink, or no, maybe 7 colors in pink, 4 colors in the jet black, like the Varine. Like they did a whole thing. It was a really big launch. You didn't hear this from me, and it hasn't launched yet. So, pink. It hasn't launched yet, but I believe they are doing another pink coming up soon. I know that they did their turquoise this year and their sand this year, and they did the khaki and the other colors. I believe they're doing a metallic pink, paying homage to the precious metals collection they did with the rose gold and the gold and the silver. They did in 2021 the precious metals collection. I believe they're doing a metallic coming out soon. That is what I heard, and maybe more than one color, but I don't want to say too much because I don't want to get in trouble. So stay tuned for that whilst I'm gonna eat this one. Whilst I eat. Okay. Bye.